The Honourable Minister of Health and Community Services.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Pleased to rise in this honourable House today to recognise that the annual report conducted by the Canadian Institute for Health Information has revealed that our province has achieved some of the shortest wait times for priority medical procedures in Canada. This report spans the 5-year period from 2010 to 2014 and cross-jurisdictional benchmark results for various procedures, including radiation treatment, cataract procedures, hip fracture repair, and hip and knee replacement. The Institute's report ranks Newfoundland and Labrador as the best in Canada for cataract surgery, hip replacement, and knee replacement. As well, we are one of the top 3 performers in the country for radiation therapy wait times. In fact, we are the only province to achieve the 9 out of 10 benchmark result in all priority areas, with the exception of hip fracture repair. This can be attributed to a more precise method for measuring wait times for that specific procedure in Newfoundland and Labrador. Mr. Speaker, the Government of Newfoundland and Labrador has invested more than $160 million to specifically address wait times over the last 8 years, and it's clear that our approach is paying off. In 2012, we released 2 5-year strategies aimed at reducing wait times for hip and knee joint replacement surgeries and emergency department wait times. We are now the national leader with the shortest wait times in the country for hip and knee replacement surgery. In addition, Budget 2014 allocated $1.8 million to continue implementation of the provincial wait time strategy for hip and knee joint replacement. This not only provided permanent funding for the orthopedic and rheumatology central intake clinics at Eastern Health, but also allowed for the creation of 8 permanent positions. Mr. Speaker, while we are proud of our efforts being acknowledged, we recognize there is still significant work to be done to reduce wait times in other areas, and we remain committed to finding solutions. For example, while our wait times for rheumatology have improved, we have yet to reach our target in that area. We also continue to seek ways to provide more timely service in such areas as neurology, heart valve replacement surgery, and mental health services as well. We are always proud to have our accomplishments highlighted on a national level, and we will continue to work to reduce wait times across all areas of our healthcare system. We are committed to providing timely access to quality care for everyone in Newfoundland and Labrador. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.